Our reporter Emerald Maxwell, who's standing by for us at the National Assembly here in Paris. Good morning, Emerald. So what is the France Unbowed party proposing in this text?
So this is a proposed law by the France Unbowed party. It's one of 10 that they're proposing today, but this is the law that has a bill that has the most consensus behind it, because as you said, the centre-left and the left have all come out for it, and it actually enjoys 80% of approval from the public. 80% of French people say they would like to see abortion enshrined in the constitution. But so it's really a political marker for France Unbowed. But of course, they're not the only party proposing a change in the law, a change in the constitution. The presidential party, Renaissance, will be proposing a similar bill next week. It is, though, getting opposition from the right and the centre-right, and they say that it's really politicising the issue, and that a change in the constitution is unnecessary because abortion is already protected under French law with the Veil law. They say that it's not endangered in France, although, of course, proponents of this bill say that that's simply not true. You only have to look at the United States, where, of course, Roe v. Wade was overturned in June. And even here, indeed, in March, the law was amended to extend the legal time limit of being able to have an abortion from 12 to 14 weeks. So, of course, it could also be changed in the other direction.
Emerald, what do you think are their chances of getting this law through?
Well, to be enshrined, it faces a very difficult path, because not only does it have to be approved in the National Assembly, it also has to be approved in the Senate before it goes any further. And it may pass the National Assembly despite the opposition from the right, but it faces a much more difficult path, much more resistance from the Senate, which tends to lean centre-right and has already struck down similar propositions in the past. And once it's gotten approval from both of those, it would then need a final approval of the final text by three-fifths of both parliaments. So it's very unlikely in its current form. It may have a better chance if it came as a government bill, but that's unlikely at the moment because Macron's party are in a minority, so he's unlikely to present a bill like this while they don't have a parliamentary majority.
France 24's Emerald Maxwell reporting for us at the National Assembly in Paris. Thank you very much.